So recently, I got to know about Hyderabad Koti Diposavam, and there I went with my colleagues and friends. It was totally a different experience, like in my lifetime. I never knew this kind of celebration happens, especially in Kartik Masam. So this is like very beautiful Hyderabad assembly area which we crossed, and it was very beautiful at night to see. After a long time I went to this route actually, so it was good to see that. When we entered into this entire garden, it was very pretty decorated, and all the cultural activities were going on, where I clicked a lot of pictures, and I was really blessed and mesmerized by seeing all this stuff. It was a lot crowded. I mean, more than lakhs of people were there, and seeing Mahadev, Shivalaya, and it was amazing experience over there, where people were dancing, they were singing, they were celebrating, they were lighting up the diyas and everything, and um, it means it was all about the belief and the blessings. It was amazing to feel at that moment. And then after the Shivalaya puja happens, Shiva puja happens over there, where it was lighting up, and it was so blissful to see from the front. And then after, like, so right now there was very beautiful song was playing in the background, but right now I had to mute because I cannot use it, otherwise I will get unnecessary copyright. So that's why I'm not playing it. But the Shivalaya Aarti, which in Telugu, that is something Lingam, something like that kind of song is there, but I'm not sure exactly. I am not aware, but that song was playing over here, and it was beautiful to capture. After the Harti, people were chanting like, Govinda, Govinda, and it was so good to feel over there. And especially a very beautiful Govinda song was getting played when I was seeing this, view. It was so amazing. But again, I cannot play that song over here just because of the copyright. But I can't, express what I have seen, while sitting, and the view was like so good. I captured very beautiful pictures, and also, that place for the first time I went, and then again, I think next day, or I think day after next day, like again we went over there, because just one day is like not sufficient for me. After seeing that, I really wanted to go again before it get ends. So again I visited, again I saw that celebration. Oh my god.
బిల్వపత్రము పరమేశ్వరుడికి ప్రీతి ఎగుట చేత ఈ బిల్వహారతిని దర్శించుకొనుట వల్ల 3 జన్మలలో చేసిన పాపములు తొలగిపోవు. ఈ నాగహారతిని దర్శించుకోవడం వల్ల కాలసర్ప దోషములు తొలగి నవగ్రహములలో రాహుకేతువుల యొక్క దోషములకు పరిహారము కలుగు. ప్రమథ గణములలో ప్రథముడు అవుట చేత ఈ నందిహారతి దర్శించుకోవడం వల్ల పార్వతీ పరమేశ్వరుల అనుగ్రహం కలుగుతుంది. అమ్మవారి వాహనము అగుట చేత ఈ సింహహారతిని దర్శించుకోవడం వలన మానసిక ఆందోళనలు, భూత ప్రేత పిశాచ బాధలు తొలగు. రుద్రస్వరూపుడగుట చేత ఈ రుద్రహారతి దర్శనం వలన విద్యాబుద్ధి, మనశుద్ధి కలిగి ఈర్ష్య, అసూయ, ద్వేషములు తొలగు. దర్శించుకోవడం వల్ల నరఘోష, దిష్టిఘోష తొలగు. జన్మ నక్షత్రవశాత్తు, నామ నక్షత్రవశాత్తు ఏ దోషములున్నా ఈ నక్షత్ర హారతిని దర్శించడం వల్ల ఆయా దోష పరిహారములు జరుగుతాయి.
Attending this kind of celebrations are not less than any concert for me. I clicked very amazing pictures from there, which I have added at last. So please have a look at it. They were very pretty, very colorful, and amazing. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much.